Well, she's off the bench, out of a job, and facing federal bank fraud charges. Could the former judge and justice of the Michigan Supreme Court soon be in front of a judge to answer questions in her charges? 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is live at federal court with the latest. And Jim, have you seen Diane Hathaway yet?
Glenda, not yet, but the case is progressing today. I can tell you it probably will not happen this afternoon. Federal court was, of course, closed yesterday for the Martin Luther King holiday. This charge was just issued on Friday. There are some scheduling matters I'll discuss in a minute. But first, let me give you the background on this case. 7 Action News investigators broke last year against this sitting Supreme Court Justice, Diane Hathaway. The documents show she parked 2 houses she owned, one in Grosse Pointe Park, the other in Central Florida, turning the ownership over to a stepson and a stepdaughter. That's so she could qualify for a short sale on another home on Lake St. Clair. That saved her $600,000. Then the ownership of the other 2 homes transferred back to her after that short sale. The feds call it bank fraud. Now, a plea deal is in the works. Hathaway abruptly retired effective yesterday, so she is out of office. Both she and her attorney, Steve Fishman, have not discussed the case, but here's what has to happen. The federal charge of bank fraud was assigned to a judge in Ann Arbor. The feds also filed a civil action to seize the Florida home in question. That was assigned to a judge here in Detroit. They have to combine those 2 cases before she will come in and face the charges. We will continue to follow the case. Glenda?
So, Jim, if she doesn't come into court today, how soon could all of this happen?
It could happen this week. We expect it to happen relatively soon. She could face a maximum of 30 years in prison, but experts are telling us she's more likely to face a maximum of 2 years.
All right, Jim, thank you for that live report.